In this video, I'm going to share with you the steps of making a simple nursery bed for raising rice seedlings. So stay with me to the end of this video. Before I share these steps with you, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and share this video. So let's get started. Step 1. Clean the area for making your bed. Select a spot in your garden where you can make your bed. With the help of a hoe, remove dry grasses and any growing weeds and brush them aside. The area must properly cleaned before making beds. Step 2. Mark out your bed. With just a hoe, mark out your bed to a desired size. The width of your bed should be 1.2 meter to 1.5 meters for easy weed control from both sides of bed. The length of the bed will depend on the amount of seeds you prepared for sowing. Step 3. Work out the soil. Using a hoe, dig the soil to a depth of at least 6 inches. This helps open up the soil to improve air and water penetration. Step 4. Create your bed. Now that you have worked out the soil, it's time to create your bed. Dig along the mark you made and place the soil on the top of the bed to raise its height. Step 5. Loosening the soil. Use your hand to break up the lumps of soils on the bed. Loosening soil is crucial for healthy plant growth. Loose soil allows plant roots to breathe, access water and nutrients for the plant to grow faster. Step 6. Leveling the bed. Leveling a nursery bed is crucial for ensuring uniform germination and healthy seedling development. A level surface allows for even seed distribution, preventing some seeds from being buried too deep or too shallow. These are the 6 steps that you should follow when making your nursery bed. It does not require many tools, just a hoe and a leveling stick. That's it. Now that you know how to make your bed, please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and see you next time.